Place the chicken legs in boiling water. I learned this recipe at a 5-star restaurant. In a medium pan filled with boiling water, add 1 piece of fresh rosemary, 3 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and let it boil for 10 minutes. After this time has passed, transfer the chicken legs to a cutting board lined with paper towel and dry it very well. Take this time to share this video and write in the comments section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and I will make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Now in a skillet over medium heat, add a generous piece of butter and olive oil. Put the chicken legs and add 3 chopped cloves of garlic, 1 piece of rosemary, 1 pinch of salt, 1 pinch of black pepper. Fry it on this side for 5 minutes and then flip. Now add any tomato sauce you have. Put the lid on the pan and wait for 10 minutes. Now the chicken legs are ready. Put it on a plate and wait it to cool down. In this time, juices inside the meat will redistribute between all meat fibers. You can serve chicken legs with potatoes or with pasta. Enjoy your meal. This is absolutely delicious. See you next recipe. Bye-bye.